Hey, first graders, how are you doing today? You are so missed, and we wish that we were doing this number talk in person. I'm Mrs. Bostrom from Whittier School, and I hope that you will play Splat with me. I know you've already played it twice, so I think you're pretty much an expert by now, right? So let's do a few together. Here's the link if you would like to play any of this on your own. Maybe you could ask a parent and see if they can even do this. I don't know. Okay, here we go. So the first thing we need to say, right, is how many of these circles, right? So you could see this so many different ways. It's kind of cool if you group them. So I bet you'll group them a really great way. I'm going to probably group, let's see, these three right here, maybe, and then these 5. So I would know that 3 and 5 is the same as what? 8, right? Yeah, 8. Okay, here comes the splat. So it covered some of ours, right? Here's the 3 part that still shows, but the other part of 8 is hidden. What do you think it could be? 3 and is the same as 8. Let's see. Maybe we could think of it that way, thinking of the 2 parts that make 8. So 3 and 5, I think. What do you think? I bet you have a great idea. Let's see. How many are underneath? Oh, what do you think? This almost looks like a dice if I turn my head a little bit, right? So there were 5 underneath there. Okay, so what did we learn? We learned that 3 and 5 go together to make the whole, which is 8, right? Okay, here comes another one. Whoa, there are a lot of dots on this screen. We better look in for groups, right? Okay, let's see. You know what? You know what my brain just saw? And I bet your brain sees something very cool. What my brain just saw was this. I kind of drew an imaginary line through this group of dots, and I'm looking at these little mountains up here, and I see 5. And then I'm looking at this, kind of like on a dice again. It's 4 and 1 more, so I know that's 5. So if I take these 5 and that 5, I know there are 10. At least I think there are 10. And what do you think? I bet you have some cool way. If you want to, you can even pause and tell the person next to you how you saw them, because that's super important. Oh, well, looks like 10 it is. Okay, here comes the splat. Whoa! Okay, oh my goodness. There are 3 outside of the splat, right? We didn't even need to count that. We could just see it right away. So let's think about 10. If we took 3 out of 10, what would be the other part of 10? Building to 10 is something we've done a lot this year, right? So we might even remember that 3 and 7 are the parts that make 10. Do you think it might be 7? Let's look. Ooh, I see a 3 and a 4 down here, and that's 7. So 3 and 7 are the parts that we're looking at to make the whole, which is 10. Okay, how about one more? Can you stick with me? One more. Okay, woo! Okay, here we go. So I'm thinking dice again. I don't know. I just always think dice. You don't have to do that. But so here's kind of a 5, right? If you tilt your head again, there's a 5. And then here's kind of a 4, right? You really have to tilt your head for that one. Okay, so 5 and 4, we know that's the same as 9, right? Can you believe how much practice you're getting putting numbers together? All right. Yep, 9. Okay, ready for the splat? Oh, interesting. They didn't cover this many at this time, did they? Let's see. How many are outside the splat? I have 3 and then 4 over here. So there's 7. If I had 7, how many more would I need to get to 9? Like, what would the difference be between 7 and 9? I think there are only 2 jumps in there, right? 7, 8, 9. Do you think it might be 2? That's kind of what I'm thinking. Let's see. Oh, yeah. We did it, and we didn't even have to count that. Okay, thank you so much for playing Splat, and I hope you have a really, really, really wonderful day. Bye.